The Roo Light is a lamp with personality. Its gentle eyes and soft glow fills any space with warmth, whether it's at your home, your office, or your business. Maybe you're chatting over a cup of coffee or perhaps some light reading before you fall asleep. In any situation, Roo Light will be there to add ambience and good company. Its distinct body catches your gaze. The LED lights are nestled within its top, while the bottom opens up to spread some diffuse light and allow the wide frame to cast an intricate pattern onto any surface. Just like a living, breathing kangaroo, it rests on its feet and tail. It's fitted with LED strip lighting that's powered by 3 AA batteries. This means you can put it anywhere you want without having to unplug it each time. It's printed in resin, which is some pretty tough stuff. This means it won't break and you can still use it over the years. The surface is polished to provide a sleek look. We founded Kito Studios because we were fascinated with the adorable animals local here in Australia. And with the help of emerging technologies like 3D printing, we're able to bring them to life. Kangaroos, koalas, wombats, and emus are just some of the strange and wacky characters we love. There have been countless iterations and many hours of refinement before we reached our final product. Each part has been carefully designed to produce a lamp that is both elegant and functional. Little details like its eyes have been sketched, modeled, and done over and over to try and make them as friendly and attentive as possible. Its head turns to peer towards you, and its round body diffuses just the right amount of light. My partner and I are recently engaged, and we always dreamed to design together. We designed and made our engagement rings using 3D printing, and with the very same customized process, we wish we can bring you the best possible looking product. With your backing, you will be the first one to adopt Roo Light into your life and bring this unique, lovable Australian spirit into it. Thank you.
Luxiom is a design luminaire suitable for those who would like to shape, create, or explore ways to modernize and design their home while saving both money and the environment. Thanks to its modularity, Luxiom is suitable for any interior and for any purpose. The luminaire consists of several geometric parts and connectors from which a wide variety of shapes and color combinations can be created within our color range. The choice of parts can affect the size, color, shape, and intensity of light that Luxiom will brighten your home. Luxiom is suitable for many age categories, especially for children, to help with development of creativity, imagination, independence, and other skills useful for creating their own world where the limit is their fantasy. Another specialty of Luxiom is its ease of maintenance. Does it seem dirty or dusty? Simply wash it off with running water, dry it, and put it back in place using the couplings. What? You don't like the shape of your lampshade anymore? There's nothing easier to fix. You don't have to throw anything away or buy anything new. You simply deconstruct the Luxiom luminaire and adapt it to a new idea or design. If you want to change color or enlarge your luminaires, you can order new parts online that are delivered to your home and let the fun begin. Changes can be permanent or temporary. It's easy to take Luxiom apart and embark on new experiments. And for those of you who don't feel entirely confident with your own abilities, there's a guide in the packaging that provides advice, tips, and inspiration. Luxiom can also be hung in place of your existing shade on practically any lamp, so you won't need a hammer or a screwdriver to mount it, or any construction work. Fast, cleanly elegant. You can completely change the character of your interior, or prepare for any special occasion. Oh, and it's almost indestructible. Whether you want your place to be playful, eccentric, or warm and cozy, Luxiom is here to help you create the right atmosphere for your home and have fun while doing it. Luxiom. Create your own universe.
Hi Kickstarter, my name is Thomas and I'm the founder and designer of Luxiom.
Hi, I'm Jacob and I'm CEO.
Together with our Luxiom team, we spent the last 2 years working on product development of Star System.
And now it's a time when we need your help. Reason is very simple.
Star System is just the beginning, only the first collection. But Luxiom is a platform which is ready for more creative ideas and possibilities.
So if you can, or if you want to support Luxiom, please do it. Because with you, we are able to keep our discovering and working on something we love. Thank you so much.
We spent over 6 months researching for the simplest and all-around lighting system, the job. Our goal was to